Hello there, children. This video is 4.4 of your chapter 4 on investigating electricity. I skipped 4.3 first because I think it is important for you to know what is series circuit as well as parallel circuit before we move on to 4.3. In this video, you will learn how to identify what is a series circuit and what is a parallel circuit. Then you also need to be able to explain why parallel circuit are widely used in the household, but series circuit are not. So what is an electric circuit? An electric circuit is a path for current to flow. So current will flow from the positive end to the negative end. Now just keep in mind, this is the flow of current as opposed to flow of electricity. Electrical charge will flow from negative to positive, while current is positive to negative. And for the current to flow, we must have a closed circuit. You can see that this circuit, it is open, while this circuit, the switch is closed. So copy this down, current will only flow in a closed circuit. Take out your notebook and copy this down. And for open circuit, there will be no current flowing. Closed circuit, there will be current flowing. So there are two types of circuit, a series circuit as well as a parallel circuit. If you are using a computer, I will strongly encourage you to Google this, PHET. Then go to the first link, there is PHET, which provide free online physics, chemistry, and biology, yada yada yada. So this website is very good because it have a lot of simulation, and one of the simulation is electrical circuit. So go to simulation, choose physics. Now, if you are using your handphone, don't worry. You can also go to Google Play Store or Apple iTunes Store or whatever you call Apple Store and search for PHET. It comes in apps, so you can download and play around it on your phone. What I want you to go and look for is circuit construction. And if you click on circuit construction, you can do the same thing if you are on your mobile device. Then you can click on this and you just wait for a while for it to load. Then you can get, a battery. Then you can get light bulb. And you use the wire. If you connect to the battery, you can get the light bulb to light up. Then there are some other things for you to play around with. But what I like to use, or what I'm going to demonstrate, is the same app, but I downloaded it on my laptop. So this is the same app, just that I have downloaded it on my laptop. I have also constructed two electrical circuits down here, one on the left and one on the right. So the circuit on the left is what we call a series circuit, while the one on the right is what we call a parallel circuit. So what's the difference between parallel circuit as well as series circuit? For series, all of you should know what is a drama series. For drama series, the episode is being shown one after the other. Episode 1 followed by episode 2. So same thing for series circuit, the light bulb are arranged one after the other, which is unlike the parallel circuit. For parallel circuit, you can see that the wire connected to one light bulb might not be connected to the other light bulb. This means that we actually created two paths for the electricity to flow through the circuit. In a series circuit, there's only one path. In a parallel circuit, there is one or two more paths for the electricity or electrical charge to flow through. So what is the consequences? What is the benefit or negative effect of either one? Let me close the circuit because right now it's open and you will see what happened. When I close the circuit, you can see that the light bulb actually lights up and the electrical charge starts to move through the light bulb, and as it moves through the light bulb, the electrical energy is being converted into light energy. For the series circuit, if we remove one of the light bulb, or let's say one of the light bulb is blown, let's observe what will happen. So let me just remove it. Once the light bulb is removed, you can see that the electrical charge stops moving because now it becomes an open circuit. And even though this light bulb is working, it will not light up because it is arranged in a series manner. Because when one light bulb is blown, the circuit becomes open. So let me connect it back. Then it becomes a closed circuit. If this wire is being cut, you can see that it also becomes an open circuit. Let me open the circuit. Then we will take a look what happened in the parallel circuit. So if I close the switch, you can see the electrical charge start flowing through. Now, unlike this series circuit whereby there's only one path for the electrical charge to move, in this instance of parallel circuit, you can see that there's actually two paths over here. So when the electrical charge comes into this junction, it can actually go into this light bulb or it can go into this light bulb. I can add another light bulb, then we will get three paths, all in a parallel circuit. So let me just remove one light bulb as an analogy or as a demonstration of what will happen when one of the light bulb is blown. So let me just remove it. You can see that even though one light bulb is removed, the other two light bulbs will still light up, unlike the series circuit. This is because the electrical charge actually have more than one path to move. The electrical charge, or what we call electron, can flow through here, or it can take the path at the bottom. And if we return back the light bulb, all of them will light up again. And let's say there's a breakage, the other two can still light up even though there's a break in the wire connecting the top light bulb. And the same is true if there's a break in the bottom light bulb, because there's more than one path for the electrical charge to move. Okay, let me just open the circuit. So as you can see, for parallel circuit, there's some benefit in the sense that if one light bulb is blown, the other light will still light up. And this is why in most of our household, our lights and other electronic appliances, they are connected in a parallel manner, because this will avoid everything from not working at the same time. Now that you have seen the demonstration of series circuit and parallel circuit, it is time to copy down some notes. So as mentioned, in a series circuit, the electrical components are connected in a single path. So single path like this, and when the current is flowing through, it flows like that. You can see that there's only one single path. And the problem with this is if one of the light bulb is removed or blow, the other light bulb will not be able to light up. Which is why it is not advisable to connect the light in our home in series. Because if one light bulb blow, or one of the wire get loose, other light bulb will also not light up, or we have to live in darkness because of just one spoiled light bulb. So copy the important things on this slide down into your notebook. You can pause the video. And I think you should, because I'm moving on. So pause the video, finish copying, and let's continue. So the analogy that I like to give is, in a series circuit, it is like one bridge, and when there's a breakage, all the other vehicle or all the electrical charge cannot flow through. For a parallel circuit, there are two or more paths, as you have seen in the demonstration. So for this case, the current will flow here, then at this junction, it can either move here or it can move here. At this junction, it can either move here or it can move here. Then it will pass through the light bulb, pass through, pass through, pass through, pass through, and of course, and back into the battery. And all of you have seen the demonstration. If one of the light bulb is removed, the other two are not affected. They will still light up because there's more than one path for the electrical charge to move across. So let's say this light bulb is out of commission or is spoiled. There's still other pathway for the electron to flow through. And this is why lights in our home are connected in parallel. So please copy this down. So a parallel circuit is like a road that is split into two lanes. One lane here, the other lane here. And if there's a landslide blocking the road, or one of the light bulb is spoiled, the traffic can continue in the other direction, so that the other light bulb will still light up. And this will be the end for this video.